Budget Amendment 2022 that went into effect. With everything else that happened, at the end of the day, 8 members of parliament that support this government remained there until late in the evening, seeing the importance of the budget for St. Martin. Some may not know, but with the budget amendments, we are then, once they are approved, we're able to access the necessary capital expenditure funds that the country so direly needs, because all of the things that we're saying we want, and need, requires funds. And without an approved budget for such, we cannot spend such funds. We do not have access to such funds. That budget process has to go through. Amendments had to be made based on cuts that needed to be made, which hurt us. And it's unfortunate, of course, that politics continues to be played with what is important for St. Martin, but we do have a coalition of 8, and if anyone can do the math, 8 is a majority. We have lost support, yes, but we remain with 8, and we consider it stable enough to continue to govern. I've known of governments that were formed with 8, and that question doesn't come up every week. So, excuse me? Yeah, we also gained support, forgot to mention, while we were more than 8 with our original. So at no time was the government in any jeopardy, and that's why we sought to increase support during that period. I would like to ask the people of St. Martin to remain resolute, to remember that we are in the most difficult period that any government has ever had to face. Everyone can stop and throw rocks, everyone can talk, but to be in the kitchen feeling the heat is a different thing with limited funds and after inheriting a system that was broken for many, many years. And a lot of repairing need to take place. And when you want to repair, sometimes you have to change the culture, which is, has a lot of political ramifications as well. So that's the reality in which we're dealing. We continue to, as the Dutch say, roeien met de riemen die we hebben. We do our best with what we're given to ensure that the people of St. Martin are taken care of.